Whether you are about to get it or have experienced it, we would like to hear from you. Who is this and where are you?
Lori, and I am in Bluffton, down by the beach.
How's things in Alljoy this morning?
It is insanity. I kept hearing things hitting the roof, and then it sounded like shingles were coming off.
Right.
So I looked out the door, and my flagpole goes flying by.
What's the May River look like at Alljoy Landing there?
The water's really, really rough, and, there's palm fronds flying all over the place, and, the water is just throwing things. It's not coming in, it's just throwing things.